A lambda function can receive events and a lot more information, which you will see in the next section. For now, let's pass in a very simple parameter, string name, and we'll append that name at the end of the string here, name. And this should be functions. I spelled it wrong. Fix it. You know what to do? Go to the command line, clear this up, do a SAM build. Once it finishes, we do SAM deploy so that our stack gets updated. SAM deploy. Once this finishes, this time we should be able to pass in a string from the AWS console. So it's uploading the lambda and it does the deployment again using the configuration we provide. These are the key steps. No matter how many lambdas you create, the data it receives and the data it returns back, the trigger that is triggering the lambda and where the output of the lambda is going, is it synchronous or asynchronous, those might change, but this will remain the same. The process of you creating the code and then the process of you building and deploying will remain the same. So you should have a solid understanding of this. Now go back to the console, go back to the functions. It was updated 20 seconds ago. Click on it. To test it this time, go to test, or I don't want to execute this test. I want to configure the test events because this is not the test data. We should pass a string with a name. So delete all of that. Within double quotes, I pass my first name thanks to my ego. You can pass your own first name here within double quotes. Save, run the test and see the response. Lambda functions are super easy and awesome. And at the end of it, you see my name, Bharat. So it's that simple. If you want to pass in any parameters to your lambda functions, simply use the parameter. And when you test it, you can pass it from the testing console or the test configuration.